Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to share something I just noticed on the 2022 Acura MDX. The TLX has a similar thing, but I thought it was pretty neat. I don't know if you guys are aware of this. Nice little touches Acura does. So if you can see here, they put the branding here on the headlight. If you can see it, it says Acura on the headlight. I thought that was pretty neat. I know the TLX does it. A little harder to see on that car, but it's on both sides here. Again, nothing crazy, of course, but I thought a neat little touch when I was washing it. It's those little things that they do. And then they also have it on the tail lights here. It's a little harder to see. Let me show you here. Okay, if you can see it right there. It's kind of neat. Can't see it in certain angles because it's dark plastic. But when the light hits it, you can really see it. Check that out. And then, of course, the other side has it as well. Again, it's nice little touches the Acura does. I haven't found it anywhere else. I've looked around the car thinking that maybe they put it in little spots, but haven't seen it. But again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you guys know that. That has those little, the Acura trademark in the lights. So that was a neat little touch that they would put in there. It's hard to see, but it's like, you know, it's there. Again, I hope everyone's doing good out there. If you haven't, please hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate it. Hope everyone's staying safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.